Hello everyone. If you see after updating your MikroTik router OS version 7, then BGP is missing. Like there is no feature for configuring BGP. Then how to fix it and why you face it, right? Like we upgrade the MikroTik router OS version 7. Now you can see the version is 7.12.1, right? If I go to the routing, there is no feature for BGP, right? The reason is now MikroTik router OS, if your MikroTik router there is no space, then they actually think that BGP feature is not required for this router. Even the router is SMIPS. Those OS model routers actually storage is very less. That's why they think that this router is not capable for BGP. That's why the BGP feature is missing. Now if your BGP is running, right, in that case you need to fix it. How to use BGP in that case? In that case you need to downgrade. So how to downgrade it? You should go to the mikrotik.com website. MikroTik, then go to the software, and now we can keep side by side. Go to OS version 6, and now you can search Ctrl F SMIPS, and this is the main package. You can download it, it's stable. Downloaded, done. Now you can keep it in files. Just drag and drop. I did create an article about it, so you can follow this article. Just download npk file, then upload. Our two-step is done. Then run the command system package downgrade. Then go to the terminal. Okay, then system package downgrade. Press enter. Router will be rebooted. Yes, now the version is 6.49.15, right? Now try to log in. Now if we go to the routing, then the BGP is there, right? Thank you for watching.